Hi, grade 12. It is time for mathematics and welcome to Pursue Excellence Tutoring. At this time, we'll be looking at financial mathematics. And boys and girls, I'm advising you that be with me until the end of this tutorial. Question 7, 7.1. 1,570 is invested at 12% per annum compounded interest. After how many years will the investment be worth 23,000? So when you analyze finance, you must always ask yourself that is there an installment or not? Of course, you can see that we're not given anything related to installment, okay? So obviously, we need to check if we need to use the compound interest or the simple interest. And it is further given that in this case, this is compound interest. So we are going to use the compound interest formula. Let me write it down here. A, which is equal to P into 1 plus I to the power of n. This is the right formula that you are going to use. However, we also given that the value of P is 1,570. This is the amount invested. Invested to get the final amount of 23,000. 23,000. Okay. Interest, it is also given 12%. A period or the number of years is the one that we are calculating. So what we need to do here, we have to substitute whatever that you are given into this formula and make n subject of the formula. All right. So I'm just going to say, is this 23,000 equal to P as 1,570 into 1 plus. When it's come to the interest, it is up to you. You can say 12 divided by 100, or you put this 12% the way it is, as long as you won't forget to put that percent on your calculator. So it's going to be 12% to the power of n. N is the value that we are calculating. So what we need to do, we're going to divide both sides by this 1,570. It's 1,570, 1,570, so that this and this cancel out. So I'm going to left with this 23,000 divided by 1,570, which is equal to 1 plus 12% to the power of n. Just because we have to round off at our final answer, I'm deciding not to break down this fraction into a decimal form. I'm just going to use everything the way it is. So I'm going to use the logarithm form in order for me to make this n subject of the formula. How? I'm just going to say n, it is equal to, I'm converting this equation into a logarithm form. So it's going to be n equal to log base of 1 plus 12% to the power of 23,000 divided by 1,570. Then the value of n, I am going to get it absolutely here at the end. Let me search for my calculator. Where is it? Okay, let me check it this side. Here it is. Here it is. So I'm just going to say a log of, let me put a bracket, 1 plus 12% exponent of 23,000 divided by 1,570. So the value of n is going to be 23.69 years. All right. Then when I finalize it further, of course, it's going to be 24 years, because the question said, after how many years will the investment be worth to this 23,000? So it is not further given to me that I must represent the n in terms of years and month. Years, of course, if it is given to me, I was going to convert that 23 years together with those particular months, but it is not necessary into this question because they just say, or they ask us to find how many years will the investment be worth to this 23,000. So the final answer here is going to be 24 years. Cheers.